Today, I will show you how to download your EBT Edge app on your mobile phone to add your account for your food stamps card. That way, you'll be able to see all your balances in your mobile phone. First, we download the EBT Edge app on the phone. After, we select Open to open the application, which this is the front page, the home page of your EBT Edge app, which you could put your user ID and your password. But obviously, if you don't have that yet, you can simply click Register here, and then you're going to put all your information that belongs to you to be in your account, your profile, and about your card so you can see your balances online on your mobile phone. If you have any questions, you could click the freaking answer the questions there. But it's pretty simple. You put your user ID, your password, you enter your password, your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number, and then you click register. So let's quickly do this. So then we can go to the next page and see what awaits us to actually register your account for your Great. So now when you register, you get a prompt notification like this. You select OK, and it's going to take you to the next page, which are security questions. This is important for your own verification, for your own protection. And obviously, if you ever miss your password, forget your password, lose your password, or get fraud, you will solve it this way. Call customer service or come back right here and get your password again. Simple questions as what's your pet's name? What's your favorite vacation? And possibly who do you admire the most? So you have different questions you could choose from. Basically, I'm just using this as an example. We're gonna pet name, same thing, user. Another prompt notification saying success. You done it correctly. Remember these questions. Remember your answers, because if you ever lose your password, then you're gonna have to need it to get a new password. Okay. Once finished, you're gonna go back to the home screen and you're gonna put your user ID and your password. After you submit your user ID and password, you're gonna come to this page. You're gonna put add account. After you put add account, you put in your EBT card fresh number, CalFresh number, and you're gonna be successfully registered. And that's how you simply just log in your EBT Edge app with your account so you can see your balance and notifications.